And you will say your name. I, Stanley Trevor Anthony.
I, Stanley Anthony.
Say your name. Say your name. So I,
Trouble.
Stanley Anthony.
in the presence of my fellow members
In the presence of my fellow members
of the Talks to Toastmasters Club,
Of the Toastmasters Club.
make this firm obligation
Make this firm obligation
to attend meetings regularly
to attend meetings regularly
and prepare fully for
and prepare fully for
each assignment,
each assignment,
to apply myself to the program
to apply myself to the program
outlined in the Toastmasters manuals,
outlined in the Toastmasters manuals,
to participate actively in club activities,
to participate actively in club activities,
to evaluate others in a positive,
to evaluate others in a positive,
constructive manner,
constructive manner,
to build open,
to build open,
friendly relationships with my fellow members,
friendly relationships with my fellow members,
and to bring other new members
and to bring other new members
into the club
into the club
so that they
so that they
can all gain
can all gain
the benefits of Toastmasters.
the benefits of Toastmasters.
Will all club members please stand and repeat our club's pledge to its new members? We, the members of the
Talks to Toastmasters Club pledge to support you in your quest for self-development, to provide you with positive, helpful evaluations, to maintain a friendly, supportive atmosphere, to give you opportunities to help others, and to make your Toastmasters membership a rewarding and fulfilling experience.
I will now ask for the mentors to provide the pins to their mentors. Them pins on here? No, dear friends. You may have your seats.